Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to come to you with a quick message because I put a post out earlier just talking about um, asking a question really about what is your biggest fear when it comes to living a life of freedom and happiness. What is your biggest fear, challenge, or problem? And a lot of people are sort of coming back and saying uh, basically it's the fear of moving into the unknown. It's not knowing how you're going to pay your bills effectively. So therefore, staying with what you know, and then a few other people have sort of raised their questions about not understanding their why, right? And how do you understand that and find that why? Well, I've actually a whole program, and my program, Your Third Quarter, part of that covers this concept of finding your why and understanding your purpose. So really, the program covers purpose, vision, and strategy. But I'm not here to sell that program today. I just want to talk to you about how you understand your why. So think about what it is that you like doing. What would you gladly do every single day for no money? Okay, so take money out of the equation, and I know that's difficult for a lot of us, but money is not a motivator. Money is a result of doing something that the actions that we take. So, if you could design a job, if you would gladly do that every single day and not get paid, what would it be? And then think about that job and think about why it is that you would be prepared to do that for no money. Okay, and start asking yourself those why questions and go sort of 4, 5, maybe even 6 or 7 levels deep till you understand truly the reason why you want to do that. All right, that helps you to understand your why. And then through my program, the first, excuse me, the first module really goes deep into understanding your purpose and finding your why. And we'll work through that as to how you write your why statement. And your why statement involves get into a concept where you write a one sentence statement that covers the contribution you want to or you're going to make and the impact you want it to have. Right, so to give you an idea, my why statement is to add value to other people so that they can become the best versions of themselves. That's why I want to add value to you guys. That's why I want to boost my community and my following so that I can bring posts and I can help people understand what it is that they want to do and show them a way that they can achieve it and live that life of freedom. Originally, this I'll show you how my thought process is molding as well. Because originally I was talking about it being financial freedom, but it's not just about finances. Now, yes, if you've got that freedom and if you're following your passion and your purpose and you're achieving the things that you want to achieve, that will give you happiness, and happiness will bring you success. And by proxy, it will give you financial freedom. Now, to me, freedom is being able to do what I want to do when I want to do it and not having to think about what I'm sacrificing because I'm doing things that I want to do. And that's what I want to you guys too. Let me just move the cat out of the way. We've got thunderstorms in Florida, so I've got the Yorkie on my knee and the cat is at the side of me. So that again is just something else to distract. But think about that, right? So what is it that you want to achieve? Why does that make you happy? Think about the things that have happened in your past that make you happy. Think about the things that have made you sad, and then what is it about those occasions that brought on those emotions. And part of the program we look at that, and you'll probably find that there are some patterns within that will help to show what your why should be. Okay, so if you want more information, you can put a message on there. You can follow my page, Chris Baker, Release Your Unconscious. I'm more than happy to chat through uh, the I have a webinar every Thursday night at 8 o'clock, which you can sign up for. It's either 8 or it might be 8:30 now because we're starting this week. Very exciting. We're starting our first mastermind group with 11-year-old Jake Cusack and his mum Donna Rice, where we're working with adults and children on sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Similar concepts. Okay, so come and join me. Send me a message. I'm more than happy to talk it through If you want to join the webinar on Thursday night, I can send you a link. If you want to jump straight into the program, I'm actually offering the 5-module program, which has got almost 15 hours worth of content for just $150. So if you want to do that, again, send me a note. I'll be more than happy to send you a link to that. So any questions below, put the questions. If you're watching the replay, I'm more than happy to come back in and answer those. But I do urge you to find your why and find your purpose, folks, because I don't want you to live in fear of failure. I want you to live in fear of regret. Okay, don't get to the end of your life, excuse me, or retirement age and say, what if or if only? All right, live in that fear of regret. Get rid of that fear of failure. All right, enjoy your Sunday afternoon. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.